DIY natural beauty on a budget, great for your cost-conscious. Looking beautiful doesn't have to cost a fortune. In this short video, I'll show you how to create powerful and simple natural beauty ingredients you already have in your kitchen. Whether it's a glowing face mask, a soothing lip balm, or a quick skincare routine, this is natural beauty on a budget, made just for you. $1 face masks. 1. DIY avocado mask. Ingredients: 1 ripe avocado, 1 tablespoon of honey. Instructions: mash avocado, mix with honey, apply to face. Usage: leave for 10 to 15 minutes, rinse with warm water. 2. How to make your own lip balm at home. Homemade lip balm. Ingredients: beeswax, coconut oil, essential oil. Instructions: melt beeswax, mix with coconut oil, pour into containers. Usage: apply as needed for soft lips. 3. 3-step natural beauty routine for busy women. Routine: cleanse with honey, tone with rose water, moisturize with coconut oil. Usage: follow this routine daily for healthy, glowing skin. Do not forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.